Will this be the next dogs token? Well, let's find out. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about PAWS Airdrop. Now, PAWS Airdrop is just the same way we have the cats and the dogs airdrop. It is the same system they use in operating that same airdrop, the same user interface, the same idea behind it. So all you just need to do is to click on the first link in the description, and by the time you do, it is going to reward you based on how long you've been on Telegram, the same way dogs did earlier. The question now is, will this particular token be as profitable as dogs airdrop? Well, there is really no certain way to find out about that. All we just need to do now is to just, start mining it, right? And one thing about this mini app so far is that there is no turn transaction. There is no buy this with your stars and get this. So that's one of the reasons why I even opted into it in the first place. That's one of the reasons why I'm bringing it to you on this channel. So I want you now to go to the first link in the description and click on the first link. It's going to take you straight to Telegram, and you're going to get yourself positioned for this airdrop. Now I'm going to move into my phone screen, so we'll just have a look at how the particular airdrop is, so we can get ourselves familiar with the airdrop and what it is that they have inside the mini app. Let's go, guys. Now I'm currently opening the app right now. You can see PAWS, P-A-W-S is the name of this airdrop, right? I was rewarded over 18,000 PAWS token. So all you just need to do is to click on that link, and you're going to come straight here. There is no much task, nothing demanding actually from this airdrop, which is why I'm giving it a shot, because it is not demanding and they're not asking you for your turn. So that's one of the reasons why I'm actually getting myself positioned for this airdrop. What are the other ways you can use to earn with this airdrop? Now, one of the ways is obviously inviting more friends. So the more friends you invite, the more reward you get from this airdrop, right? And then another way to earn again is to come to this place here that says earn. When you click on it, it's going to come here. What you need to do now, there are 4 tasks right now in the in-game that you can perform to earn their PAWS, and you earn 1,000 PAWS, 2,000 PAWS, 5,000 PAWS, and 3,000 PAWS respectively. Now the first one is to follow their channel, of course, and the second one is to follow them on Twitter. The third one is to invite 10 friends, and the fourth one is to connect your wallet. So for each of these tasks, you're going to get rewarded as the case may be. Now the other way to get rewarded is by coming to this place here that says partner right here. So when you click on that partner, there's no quest yet, right? But then I feel later on they're going to bring some quests that you can do and get some PAWS token for yourself. So guys, there's no harm in trying, right? Since they're not asking for your hard-earned money, they're not asking for your turn, I see no reason why you shouldn't do this airdrop and get yourself positioned for it, just in case it turns out like dogs, right? So guys, that's the update I brought to you guys, and that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.